when I turned 50, I started using the canes. I never really used well, not really. I never used the cane prior to that time. So I have enough eyesight that I can manage, but I can see how messed up things are. The nature of the sidewalk is very important. It's very important for blind people in terms of whether they can even use their cane on it without breaking their cane, like mine got broken. And the whole tip broke off. The whole thing got snapped off, and I'm not exactly sure how it happened, but it happened walking here in Troy because of the sidewalks. Sighted people tend to focus on visual things. If it looks nice, that's all that really matters to them, which is not insensitive, it's just you don't know. And so you don't think about it. But we tend to focus on visual things, and if it looks nice, it's a go. And this looks nice, but it's not the best for access. Whether it's a chair or a cane, all these bumps are not very helpful.